Welcome back. What a way to start the video, you guys. We finally got the tires for the fucking Speed.
Tires to your front door is a vibe.
See
Type shit. To your front door, I like this.
got the Blu-tracs, the ADOBE special. You guys, they're here. We gotta go install these bitches.
Hey, for the first time buying tires online, it's pretty fire.
Get them shipped to you. Just gotta throw them on.
And then bring them to your doorstep. Now we just need that Temu tire machine.
Back there, so we can do it ourselves.
Type shit.
We're installing tires today, guys. We're gonna go get coffee. We're gonna go do the oil change. We're gonna get the tires mounted on, balanced. Anyways, you guys, let's get on the motherfucking road. Wait, y'all, I love my coffee and all, but this is getting ridiculous. Like, they need to have like a little cap or some shit, like one of those little sticks that Starbucks has in order to, you know, cover that. Otherwise, this shit's gonna keep happening. But it's always just my coffee. It's never the Bose hot chocolate. It's always me. It's always fucking me. I don't know, this side feels kind of off, but if you say it's good, it's good.
Go back.
I didn't want to start right away. I kind of wanted to drink my coffee or something because I'm just not in the mood. Okay, you guys, so we do have our morning coffee. As you can see, I fucking spilled it in the car. Dumb bitch. Because I'm having such a great morning, y'all. I'm really not. Yeah, cheers. Don't mind me laughing. Don't mind the hammering in the back. Got our tire professional in the background working on another Jeep. Bo's on his break right now because he's gonna help with the tires too while I'm doing the oil change or whatever the fuck we're gonna be doing. Oil change and then the tires, or both at the same time. While I'm doing one thing, they're gonna be doing another because they just look like they had nothing to do, so I had to put them to work. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I can't do it. I don't know. How do you do it? How? Show me. Come show me. Come show the chat the moves. Why are your feet like this?
I don't know. Hold on. It's like that.
This isn't a Mexico vlog.
I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heat.
With the coffee, I'm multi-talented, y'all. Yeah, and that's what I get. Spilling this shit again. I can't. No, I'm gonna break my back. I can't do that. It's too heavy.
You gotta do like a hang movie.
No, I'm gonna break my back, dude. It's too heavy.
All right.
We're done. Yeah, I know. You know. No, tell me why. When I was in automotive class, there was this guy who was on my team, as he had groups of 3. I brought this car at the time. I think we were just doing an oil change, or I forgot what we were checking. And then this guy starts jacking it up, and I'm like, I don't think that's good. I was like, I think you need to go a little further. He's like, no, it'll be okay. And boom, that shit falls. They put the jack on the side skirt, so it cracked when it went down, and I was like, that's it. I'm like, oh my God. And they were just like, and I was like, I told y'all. I was like, but y'all don't listen to me. No one listens to kbye Sam. Yeah, it wasn't a fun time. Here. You just let me know, because my car is flying at this point. Don't take off my side skirt. Truthfully. This is work right here. Assistant. Like Arby's, we got the meats.
Jamits. We just got Jamits.
Like Jack in the Box.
Let me take you all to a French restaurant. Jacques in the Book. This is all the way from Texas though. Yes, we bought tires online and they're fucking here.
I think I was supposed to sit there.
You wanna hop in? Jack in the Book.
Jack in the Box.
It feels like an actual commercial.
You're dumb.
Blu-trac HP.
Oh.
No way.
Ow! My butt's stuck, bro. I can't. What's up, mother? What the fuck is going on? What's up, motherfuckers? Oh, oh no. Can't get it right. You guys, we are gonna be installing these Blu-trac HP tires, and we are gaining about 20 more horsepower. Let's sell these. Oh.
Yep, like that.
Come on, y'all. If I fall and this goes on YouTube, oh wait, it is going on YouTube. Let's actually go work on the car, y'all. Ta-da! I cannot reach. There we go. I did it. Miss Independent Woman. Whoa, baby. Look at all these rags.
Look at all those chickens.
There we go. Fuck, I knew that shit was gonna happen. Holy shit. I was trying to not drop the lug, but you know, shit happens, y'all. Shit fucking happens. Oh no, you don't wanna do that.
To make it like
Yeah, you don't wanna do that. Kobe, but he missed. Then I wish she saw. Avocado. Ooh, melted cookies. Nasty. Alright, put on the new filter. Ready for the ASMR? There's none. It's just an oil change. That is all. Take it off. Ooh. Just kidding. Gotta. Let's lube it up real quick.
oh yeah?
Yeah. This is not a tutorial. I am not a professional. I do not advise doing these activities at home unless you're certified. Just kidding. Just fucking do it. Don't drive around with no oil. Motherfuckers. Yeah. All right, she's lubed up. Yummy.
Make sure she's nice and tight, bud.
Hold on. Ow!
Ooh, hey, there's a bumper there.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'll go back in.
I just gotta tighten the drain bolt and I'm good. Show the chat how black my oil was.
Melted cookie.
Yeah, we took the car to LA. We went to Temecula. Where else did we go? We had like a list of places that we went to with the car, and that's why my oil looks how it looks. Yeah. You guys want a taste? Hold on. I totally forgot I had to do the catch can. Ooh. Ow.
Got a little bit of blow by.
Just a little bit. Not too bad.
Yeah, dude, one time I was doing this and I tightened the fucking thing too much and it went inside your catch can. Bro,
Oh my god.
I had to take the whole catch
You're
can
lying.
apart. No, I'm not lying. That's why I was like, fuck.
You guys can't see this, but I am tightening up the catch can bolt. Is this considered a bolt? All right, y'all, now for the final part, oil. Now don't tell me, don't be telling me, where's the Rotella? Rotella these nuts, motherfucker.
On the right path.
Oh.
What I meant. So fuck, that would have been a crazy mess for you.
No, y'all, don't do what I did. It was an accident, though. I was kind of pushing it. I was trying to rush it.
Pedestrian slow, dude, you're a fucking club. All of your alternators.
Instant replay. Oh. That's crazy. Last one's going in.
There you go.
Thank you.
Mr. Jeffrey.
Hello.
Doing it right?
It's not my first time.
I'm being her bitch right now.
One. 1 out of 4. So this is the life I currently have on the tires. Okay, one of the sides, I don't know for whatever reason, but it low-key wears out quicker than all the other sides. So if you guys have a fix for that, let me know. Otherwise, I just am probably gonna roll my fenders and then fix my ride height. You guys, I was noticing that the car is pretty dirty from all this rain that we've been having this week. So we're gonna rinse her off right after. So then she'll be complete. She'll look beautiful. Look how bad I'm on slicks. This thing's ripping already, you guys. I can't see that. Can you see that? I don't know. If you guys can see that, it's pretty bad. I cannot wait to get my carbon fiber hood done because it just looks yellow and the clear coat, oh my God, is peeling so freaking bad. All right, you guys, so we are starting with these 2 tires first. Just waiting on the guys. And then after, I'll put them back on. I'm probably gonna clean the rims meanwhile. I haven't really spoke to you guys about what I have on the car, but I have Fortune Auto coilovers. They've been pretty good. They feel really good. But yeah, Fortune Auto for you guys. You guys, so these tires were sponsored by Adam LZ. So thank you very much for sponsoring these tires. No, I'm just kidding. I wish, but no, you guys, these are recommended by Adam LZ, but they weren't sponsored by him. So yeah, sad life. Let's go put on some tires. You guys, I was an aerobics instructor once upon a time. No, I wasn't, but it'd be fun. It would be fun because I just like to hop around, you know? Dude, look at how disgusting my wheels are. Get white, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
They said.
I always get scared it's gonna fall like the last time.
Driver's side, passenger side.
Oh wow, those knees bend so good. Vehicles today.
Yeah, order a new one, boss. God, man. Would you like to do that on this?
I would love to.
Stickers always stay on. Come on now.
We gotta hit a car meet tomorrow then.
Fucking tire specialist.
I've done so many of them, especially on the Genesis.
Motherfuckers.
The fresh meats. Even though they're not that meaty, but they're meaty.
fresh.
They're fresh.
They're way- Where's the hammer?
Cut. No, wait. Take 2. pizza delivery. Y'all hungry? Fresh. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. No way. It's not funny, but it's funny, you know? No. It was an accident.
Fuck you, bro.
Everybody's mad at the car.
It ain't even my car.
I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these wheels. Well, cleaning them because they're fucking disgusting. Should I do a time lapse? I don't think you guys want to see me do this for like however long I'm gonna be doing this. Could be wrong. Maybe you guys like watching me just live. Damn, this is nasty. My poor wheels. So just to give you an idea of what I just did, I just basically cleaned a little bit of the barrel just so it wouldn't be that nasty. I didn't go in that ham on it, but you know, just for now it'll do. A little clean barrel, okay? I mean, that side's gonna be inside anyways, and then we still gotta wash the car. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these back on the car. Yeah, that should be it. Ready for a wash. Must be hard so that I can function. Yeah. I forgot to put in the fucking caps, but that's okay. I'll go get them right now. Get in the hole. Now I need a valve stem cap, wherever it is. Let me put this on before I forget. Oh my God.
Lush you are with these now.
You guys, we're tucking now. Is this stock height? Should I leave it stock height? Monster truck this bitch? All right, so now we gotta do the back wheels. Who do I leave behind? Got to me, sweet child.
There you go.
I got it. Nice. They smell really good. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this fast. Gonna go put on the wheel real quick. Cool. Put the lugs in a star pattern. Got Nicki Minaj in the back. Okay, like this. That's what I mean by the star pattern, if you don't know. It's good enough for now. I need to go get the impact. Guys, I totally slipped my head, but I'm gonna go ahead and check my tire pressure. It's 50 max pressure PSI. Stingray. 46 PSI. Oops. What am I doing, y'all? What am I doing? All right, this one's the same as the other one, the other front one. Like a bullet train.
Tony made a hit.
Damn, G. Here's a little bonus for you guys. Remember how my boost controller was just kind of flapping around everywhere? Well, Bo was nice enough to drill into my battery box and hang it there.
We cleaned it up a little bit. Just
No, I love it. I absolutely love it. Much cleaner look. Probably gonna toss this back on. This pretty much wraps up baby girl's time. And now we have to go wash her because, dear Lord. But these are pretty needy and they do fill in my space a little more. So they do look a little more tucked in. The backs just look monstrous. Like I need some fitment back here. Trying to get a bite? We're not doing this today, sir. We're not doing this today.
got the marrow. I was looking, trying to catch that guy. I don't think it was a real one. But let's skedaddle out of here. We don't want to see any of those cops.
It's a party! Bye, sexy beast. Dude, those dogs are so cute and fluffy. Are we airing? Y'all awake? Happy Sunday, you guys. Welcome back. You know, whatever. I had my intro all lined up and now I can't even think. Anyways, you guys, happy Sunday. Today, you know the vibes. You know what we always get into on Sundays. Another car meet, you guys. Pop up the flyer up here. It is called, what is it called?
Just cars and coffee.
Wait. Wait, y'all. Wait. Give me a second.
Shit.
Give
me a minute.
Bitch. You're not even the fuck. It's just called Cars and Coffee, motherfuckers. We're here back at another one. All right, so we are currently at Huntington Beach. That's where the meet is. We're gonna go walk around and see some cars, so let's get to it, you guys. Hella. I high-key fuck with that Mustang over there. Carbon fenders, carbon hood, the vents. I fuck with that. That builds really clean. Got the Beamers over here. What is this, you guys? What is this? This is kind of fly.
I think your coolant reservoir is cooked.
Yep. Look, it's leaking, y'all. Look how much it's fucking leaking. I'm pissed. This mic is literally crying. Peep out the cover. Who's man? Daddy's money, but I'm daddy. I'm daddy. Who's your daddy? ain't sneaky, sir. You know, the thing about these cars is that you could park anywhere and anyone could think it's a regular ass car. Then they come out at night and boom, hit you with the 360 cam in your face.
Now he has a carbon fiber one.
Bruh, he's gardening. Hey, there's a fucking skate park right here, right next to the meat parking lot. Well, we still gotta go to the other parking lot, check out the other cars, but
The food is on that side.
bands off the wall. You guys, in another life, I had a Camaro, and this is what it would look like. Carbon lip, carbon fenders, carbon hood, the wing, everything. It's just, Huh?
You can follow the guy on Instagram.
Sure. You guys, I thought we came to a car meet, not the zoo. Look, there's a Supra back there.
I don't like the red caps on the mirrors. Give us them.
I don't care what you think.
Smack jab front and center. SVT. We do that on the Ranger, guys. Not the SVJ.
Damn, all right, the lineup's here.
They're for sure the ones sitting at the fucking gas station.
Yeah, for sure.
Straight up driven. Straight up driven exotics barrel. That one Beamer friend, he's working on getting the supercar.
Toxicas have my heart.
Like that?
Yeah? You like that?
Hey, damn, perro, we're in the wealthy part of
They
the
got
They
money.
got money on this side.
Let's just all hover around the Porsche.
Alright, sir.
Nice little GT3.
That's a clusterfuck.
Oh yeah. Y'all got Batman at this meet too? No way, the Corgi's here too.
Where's Rudy at?
Bro, the dog is
You have
just
to make him
so
say a line from the
cute.
movie.
By the way, y'all, Supras are here. Whoa, 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 just whoa. The back end though, shit fire. Look, there's a Speed. I found our people. It's a first gen, but it's still a Speed. Tell me why I saw this on someone's story yesterday. I literally saw that car. Am I being too loud?
Nah, dude.
I'm just excited, that's all.
It looks like your beanie.
It does.
Yeah, totally.
Bro, I didn't have nothing to match with it. Yo, I want to touch this, but you know, I don't want to disrespect this man's car, but I really want to touch it. Look, you can literally see what it's covered with. You guys, I'm so tempted to touch this. Like, I just want to touch it so bad. Touch it.
Huh?
Touch it.
Looks like a troll head.
Whoa, look at this bean skis.
The stretch bikes. Oh my god. There's Johnny Tran and his boys.
Told you that GT3 was coming to the meet. So I told you. Is that zoomy? Guys, there's another Speed here.
He's pushing some ponies. Look at the tire. All you gotta do is look at the tire on these Speeds.
Sure. Sir.
He's tracking. Look at the hood down. He's got it before I got it. I'm pissed.
Right, he's sneaky.
Marcus, if you're seeing this, Marcus, you're lacking on me.
Look at all those chickens.
Yep. Ow. Oh, sir. Oh.
You're in a man's Forza build.
In real life, though.
Zip.
Look at the corgi. Yeah. Woo. I love that. Oh, y'all gonna smack each other. Oh my god, oh my god. Look who spawned into the chat, guy.
That's your phone. That's fucking right.
Bro, I'm busy filming.
You literally pulled out.
Oh, there's that Porsche leaving. Oh my god. Oh, dang, your plate came off, homie.
Lighten up right there. Opposite.
Do a pull. Well, that shit fucking hurt. I didn't update y'all, but we came to another car meet. You guys, look at that fucking little cruise right there, just chilling. I'm gonna fuck with the Acura. I like the color of it. And I would get that white M2. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I don't know what you mean, but damn. If those license plates don't come off, they're gonna fall off.
worry, I didn't get that.
Here, the STI.
Ferrari. Ooh, the Porsche GT3. Ah,
The Honda in the hatch.
hell yeah.
Back one,
This meat is pretty fucking big. Oh my god, we were just in the parking section. This is where the meat is fucking at. This guy was at the other meat we just came back from.
In the fucking showdown out here type shit.
They are. They do. They have a mini Tesla in the Tesla. That's badass. Even the wrap is the same. That's sick. And it's bagged too. Yeah? Oh, you guys, I forgot. 2 more characters spawned in. Jose from the other vlogs and then Juan. Give me some time, y'all. We're walking to where all the action is. I feel so bad for that Amazon guy over there. He's just trying to do his job and there's a bunch of cars in the way. It's gonna be fucking insane trying to film over there, dude. Dude, look, just look at that.
Oh, he has a little snorkel in there, huh?
Yeah. Right there.
Big ass turbo GT5 gutted inside. No fucking passenger seat type shit.
No passenger seat. Schedule because I know.
Do a collab right now.
Bo's favorite YouTuber over here, Rich. Look, the other skylines over here too. Look at how focused that man is at taking photos. The facial expressions on that man. Look, the furry cars here too. Again, all the little Porsches over there. Brother, the plug and play. Oh, he's already on it. The plug with the plug. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And it went like.
Thank That shit's wet. Damn, brother. Bro, they look so good. They look really good.
It might not be smash burger, but that shit looks fire.
So good.
Why